welcome back to our channel. Ako pala si Jhobelyn Jordan. Kung bago ka pa dito sa aking YouTube channel ay huwag kalimutan i-subscribe at i-click ang aking notification bell para update kayo sa lahat ng aking episode, guys. Echeveria belly boxer or lilac. Dalawa naman yung nakalagay na pangalan, guys. Lilac o ano ba talaga? Echeveria belly boxer. Yan. Almost 3 months na ata siguro to, guys, nung nabili ko. Hanggang ngayon ay hindi ko pa siya na-re-repat. Kaya itong stem niya dito yung ay medyo na-stress na siya kasi dito lang sa hindi masyado naarawan nakalagay ito, kaya ganyan stress. Saka malaki na rin ang kanyang baby. Dati ito ay maliit lang, parang sibol yung kagaya dito. Yan, ganyan siya dati. Ngayon ay ito na siya kasi halos 3 buwan na to, guys. Kalaki. Dati ganito lang siya kaliit. Yan sa ilalim. Kaya tatanggalin ko yung baby at itong mother niya ay lalagay ko rin sa paso. Dito rin sa paso na to. At saka ito naman ay gusto ko siyang ilipat sa mas malaking paso para makahinga kasi nahihirapan na ako mandilig dito. Kaya naisipan ko na ilipat siya sa mas malaking paso. Ayan. Ito guys yung pinakauna-una kong succulents. Siguro mga 2 years. Almost 2 years na to. Ayan. Echeveria din. Kaparehas ng Polydonis. Echeveria Polydonis. Ayan. Lipat natin sa mas malaking paso para makahinga at madiligan natin ng maayos. Tara, guys, at umpisa na natin magripat at magtanggal ng baby sa mga succulents natin. Ito po yung aking gagamitin na soil, yung Osmocote Premium Potting Mix na para sa succulents at cactus. Ayan. At kailangan ay gagamit tayo ng paso na may butas para hindi ma-stuck yung water. Pag nagdilig tayo ay kailangan ay may drain ang water. Kaya gagamit tayo ng paso na may butas. At ito, gagamit ako nito. Lalagyan natin nito takip sa butas.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like
Guys, ang natapos na nailipat o na-separate na baby from the mother of Echeveria belly boxer or lilac. Ayan. Ito yung mother. At ito rin ang ating Echeveria polydonis. Ayan. Sana guys ay nagustuhan yung aking video. At huwag kalimutan i-subscribe at i-click ang ating notification bell para update kayo sa susunod pang episode na aking gagawin na video guys. See you again next time guys. Bye bye.